Jack sent me this Snapchat, and he sort of looks like a caveman.
Big day. Using words today. Big day. Oh my god!
Damn it, Bobby.
I don't want that. Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god, it's like a fire. Holy shit, that was a good. Holy fuck.
Can I get your back?
Oh, you fucking. Ow. Oh. It's outward clenching. So if that goes into your skin, it like fucking hooks on either side. Oh. Ah! Ah! Oh! The MadDogged!
This is me getting clowned on.
That was weak. Didn't even drink at least half.
I don't even like this shit, man.
It's not even that bad. Relative to most drinks.
Like bleach? You know, it's not that bad compared to like orange juice right after you brush your teeth. And then I would bet on the Lakers. And then I would put 500 on that dog ends up next week dead. Like we're trying to make a video. I just have crackhead energy. I just...
Sarah, get down! Sarah, get down!
No. Oh my god. Should I get down?
Sarah, get down!
Alright, I'll get down. Oh.